How to send multiple photos on Instagram DM. Hello everyone, I am here to guide you how you can send the multiple photos on your Instagram DM. So if you want to send the multiple photos on your Instagram DM, just go and open up your Instagram. Once you have opened up your Instagram, just go to your DM section which is on the top right. Once you are here, just go and select the one of the messages from your DM section. Once you have selected the message, on the bottom you can see your gallery option. Just go for that, and you can go and select the photos here. And once you have selected the photos, you have to select the photos from your gallery here. So once you have selected the different photos from your gallery, and you have to go for the send option here. So here you can see that you have selected the multiple photos and tap on the send icon, and here you can find that you have successfully sent the multiple photos on your Instagram DM. So which is a new update. There you can see that the message has been sending here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily send the multiple photos on your Instagram DM. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.